Shri Matre Namaha. By the grace of Ma Durga, we all are blissfully hearing the Charitram of Lalitopakyayanam. The speciality of Agastya was, in spite of his austerities and greatness, because of his wife Lopamudra, he became still more greater. Lopamudra was one among the Vak Devatas, and since he married her, Agastya got the bliss of hearing the Lalita Sahasranama stories and shlokas. So, it is necessary for us to know the greatness of Lopamudra and also how Agastya came to know about Lalitopakyayana Upadesham. In Kanchipuram, Agastya and Lopamudra were staying and having the darshan of Kamakshi Ambal and Ekambareshwarar. In the same place, Kanchipuram, Lord Hayagrivar gets the mantra diksha from Sakshat Kameshwara Kameshwari, and since many years, as per Srividya Upasanai, performing puja, Lalita Trishadi, Archanai, Sahasranamam, Navavarna Puja to Kamakshi Ambal. After finishing the puja, Hayagrivar used to do Suhasini Puja to Lopamudra by worshipping Lopamudra as Kamakshi Ambal. More than 300 billions devas come to Kanchipuram to see this puja. This happening for many years. When Agastya went to have darshan of Kamakshi Ambal, devas were surprised to see Agastya and told him that he was very fortunate to have Lopamudra as his wife, since Lord Vishnu as Hayagrivar himself performing Suhasini Puja to Lopamudra as Ambal. Agastya did not knew about this and said to devas that Lopamudra did not do any mantra or japam or tapams or puja all these years, and how come this would happen, and she had not visited any place, and Agastya not agreed. Devas asked Agastya to go and visit the puja by himself, performed by Lord Hayagrivar, and to his astonishment, Agastya saw Sakshat Mahavishnu performing the Suhasini Puja to Lopamudra, worshipping her as Kamakshi Ambal. Agastya went to Lopamudra and asked her how she could go and attend the Suhasini Puja all these years, as he did not see any one day leaving him and going outside. And also he did not see her chanting any mantra or japam or tapam. So he asked her about this. She also did not know all siddhis, then how could she have these mystical powers? Till that time, Agastya did not know that Lopamudra knew the Anushtanams of Srividya Sampradayams. Like that way, she was also living and was very calm. That much humbleness and greatness Lopamudra had, and shared Agastya about her Srividya Mantra Dikshai preached by Charyananda Nathar Guru when she was 7 years old. She also said because of the Srividya Mantra Upadesham, she could take any form. After she married Agastya, due to this siddhi, she could go and attend the Suhasini Puja when Hayagrivar invited her for the Suhasini Puja and worshipped her. So glad Agastya became when he heard about this and asked Lopamudra if she could teach this valuable mantra to him, and he also had heard about the greatness of this mantra. Lopamudra said, Swami, Hayagrivar is here at Kanchipuram mainly to preach and teach this valuable mantra to you, as this is Ambal Ma Shakti's wish, That is why Lord Hayagriva stays here for many years and waiting to preach you. Only after preaching this mantra to you, Hayagriva will become disguised and go to Sri Vaikuntham. Hearing this, now Agastya was very happy because earlier, as Mahavishnu also told him that Hayagriva would preach him the ways for the ignorant people to come out from Kali's hold. When Agastya tried meeting Hayagriva, he could not meet because of many crowds, devas participating in the Hayagriva's puja. He could not go near to Hayagriva. Then Lopamudra showed him a way and said, Swami, tomorrow you go and keep standing when everybody sits for the puja. Then Hayagriva would ask you why you are standing. You tell that Lopamudra has sent me. Agastya followed the same and said to Hayagriva that Lopamudra had sent him there. Immediately, Hayagriva welcomed Agastya and said, I have been waiting all these years only to preach you. Please come, please come. Agastya again became so happy and so proud, thinking about the greatness of his wife Lopamudra. Hayagriva also very happy as he could get a good sincere student, Sishya. Agastya humbly requested Lord Hayagriva to be his guru and to preach the mantra Upadesham. Hayagriva also accepted happily to do the Upadesham. By the grace and blessings of Ma Durga, we could able to know the meeting of Agastya and Lord Hayagriva. Shri Matre Namaha.